You are also suffering the same situation. Don't worry. Every person having the potential to solve the situation, because you have education, good communication, knowledge, but don't have a perfect skills, not upgraded skills. You are not completing the task on time. You are not getting the job promoted, not getting better salary. Need a solution on this. Learn skill. Build a solution understanding on the basics of Microsoft Excel from beginner to advanced level. Like format sheets, create a professionally chart, learn a new keyboard shortcut, create a chart with trend lines, increase productivity with function, learn hidden tips and tricks with pivot table, interactive Excel report, sales dashboard, HR dashboard, KPI dashboard, financial dashboard, VBA macro, Power Query and many more. Hi, my name is Madhukar Rathod. I am online course creator. I will give you a guarantee that you will get a confidence on yourself. You can do data analysis, data visualization very quickly to increase your productivity work and love your job. We have designed 11-week course for you. Now, why you are waiting for? Enroll our course by clicking below link or WhatsApp my number 9975215188. See you soon in class. Batch starting soon. Please share this video with your friends. Thank you.